Okay, now let's look at a special case. This time, we are looking for the coordinate of the middle point between the 2 points P1 and P2. Now, we can solve this problem using the same method. So first, we construct this right triangle, and we can generate the point P3. We can determine the coordinate of P3 using P1 and P2. So the x-coordinate of P3 is the same as the x-coordinate of P2, which is x2. And the y-coordinate of P3 is same as the y-coordinate of point P1, which is y1. Now, below the point P, we have a point, let's call this point P4. So P4 and P, they have the same x-coordinate. And the y-coordinate of P4 is y1. And next to the point P, we have a point P5. Now the x-coordinate of P5 is x2. And the y-coordinate of P5 is y. Okay. Now, because P4 is the middle point between P1 and P3, so x is located 1/2 of the distance from x1 to x2. So we can determine x. So x equals x1 plus 1/2 of x2 minus x1, which is x1 plus 1/2 x2 minus 1/2 x1, which is 1/2 x1 plus 1/2 x2, which is 1/2 times x1 plus x2. And then we can determine we can determine y, because y is located 1/2 of the distance from y1 to y2. So y is y1 plus 1/2 times y2 minus y1, which is equal to y1 plus 1/2 y2 minus 1/2 y1. So it is also equal to 1/2 times y1 plus y2. So that's why I said at the beginning this is a special case. For the point located 1/2 of the way between the two given points P1 and P2, the coordinate of such a point is x1 plus x2 over 2. So this is the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is y1 plus y2 over 2. Now let's look at another example using this formula. Let's see, we want to find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment determined by the points -2, 4, and 6, -1. So first I put x1 and y1 over here. So x2 gonna be 6 and y2 gonna be -1. So according to this formula, the coordinate of this middle point, the middle point between these 2 points, is given by x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So this is -2 plus 6 over 2, and 4 plus -1 over 2. So the answer is 2 and 3 over 2. So this middle point is 2 and 3 over 2.